Greetings, folks. Joseph Kursky here with you to examine submarine cables with a 3D globe. Now, one of my very intelligent and wonderful colleagues here at ESRI created this 3D globe with the ArcGIS API from ESRI, Environmental Systems Research Institute. I think it's a wonderful tool to teach in geography, business, economics, supply chain, globalization, and other courses at secondary school, middle and high school, and also in the university level. And the reason why I say that is because with this engaging tool, you can look at different cables and how the world is connected with these cables. So think about population density and what these cables actually have in them. Are they fiber optic? What exactly are these, and why do they exist in different places around the planet? For example, here in these islands in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, why do cables exist? How do they connect people and telecommunications? What do they influence in terms of trade and information flow around the world? So taking a look at this in a 3D environment allows you and your students to look at patterns, relationships, trends, which is exactly why in this channel I talk so much about the use of geotechnology. It enables students to act as scientists where they're investigating, they're asking questions, and they're gathering information. And another thing that's nice about these 3D immersive globes is that you can examine places on the Earth as well. I've got other videos that you can look at COVID or earthquakes or population density in 3D using the 3D Scene, for example, viewer inside ArcGIS Online. So this 3D submarine cables I think is intriguing in another way, and that is because much of the data that we look at from time to time inside a 2D or a 3D GIS environment has to do with land, doesn't it? And the nice thing about this is that you can see that, the oceans really are important, not just for biodiversity and sea life and weather and climate and so much more in terms of the environmental world, but in terms of our connected human-built cultural environment. Oceans are vitally important as well. And you can even teach this in civil engineering courses. How are these cables strung? Are they just below the surface? Are they on the bottom of the seafloor? Exactly where are these things vertically in the ocean column? Now, these are schematics, so they don't necessarily indicate exactly where the cables run. They give you a general idea. As you can see, they're offset, for example, going across the Atlantic. They're not exactly located where the globe says that they're located, but they give you an idea of where these things are. And then, of course, you can click on individual cables and find out more about them. And you can even look back in time to 1989 and see the spread of these cables. And again, if this is part of your economics or geography or other course, you can see how they have spread over the last 30 years. Thanks, and keep exploring.